Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find like post on Instagram. So first of all, just open up the Instagram application. Now let's say this is the post I'm going to like, okay? And now what you have to do is just go to your profile, tap on these three bars and go to this settings and privacy. Now scroll down and you will find this more info and support. Tap on this help section and tap on this help center and now search for like post, tap on it and now tap on this first one, see recent photos and videos that you've liked on Instagram. Read this paragraph carefully and now go back to the home page. Now tap on these three bars again and tap on this third option, your activity, and as you can see these option likes, comments, tags, sticker, response and reviews. So just go for this likes and you will find all the posts you liked recently. As you can see, this is the post we've liked recently and here it is. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.